We'll guide you through how to make invisible text on Discord. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create unique and fun interactions on Discord. Invisible text can be used for creative messages, hidden content, or playful communication in chats. This tutorial helps users understand how to send messages that appear blank while still following simple and clear steps. It is also useful for users who want to try different text formatting features available on Discord. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. After the browser opens, click the search field at the top of the window. Type Discord into the search field. When the search results appear, choose the official website of Discord. After that, click Login on the main page. Enter your email in the required field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Then click the Login button to access your account. After logging in, verify your account if required by following the instructions shown on the screen. Once your account is successfully opened, find the server you want from the list of servers on the left side of the screen. After you locate the server, click the server to open it. Inside the server, look for the chat channel where you want to send your message. Click the chat field at the bottom of the screen to begin typing your message. Then type 2 asterisks in the chat field. After typing the 2 asterisks, type as many spaces as you want between them. Make sure you only enter spaces and do not add any visible characters between the asterisks. After you finish adding spaces, close the format by typing 2 asterisks again at the end. This will create a message that appears invisible when it is sent. Before sending the message, check that you have typed the asterisks correctly and that the spaces are placed only between them. Once everything is ready, press Enter on your keyboard to send the message. The message will be sent automatically in the chat. Because the message only contains spaces inside the asterisks, it will appear as invisible text in the chat. Other users in the channel will see an empty message even though something was sent. This confirms that the invisible text format has been applied correctly. Repeat the same steps if you want to send another invisible message in the chat.